All right, everybody. I'm out here at Covey Court in Claremore, Oklahoma. When you pull up, it's just absolutely all these houses out here. It's a little bit outside the country, outside of Tulsa. It's about a 2-acre lot. You know, we'll go into it and then walk around the house. But obviously, it's been out here for a while. It looks like they put a double wide on here and then attached a garage to it, or built that separately based on the roof, but the roof is all bad. But better take a look. You can see the mold there. That's kind of scary there. You see the kitchen. We'll walk through here. I think this is a Palm Harbor home, because I remember that was a nice feature there. Living room, built in. Here, this is the addition. Those doors there. Peek at the back. I don't know if you can see that there, but it looks like there's an old mobile home out there. This is the additional garage. Just full of stuff. Old shop. Roof is bad on this one. You can see it's caving in their water. Not gonna go any further in there. Yeah, let's see. This is the exterior of the mobile home here. So they attach this. So outside looks like you've got a deck that's all rotted away. Mold there, some more. Yeah, this is really just a haul off, tear down and haul off. Yeah, it's just for spare bedroom. Straw hookups. Like people just came in and grabbed what they could. They left some of these older. There you go. You can see the roof is bad back in here on the end. Older style tub. Just a quick walk around. This is mostly shrub. It's all grown up. We'll go around this side. It's a beautiful lot. It's a full tear down. It's funny, you can see tire tracks. If somebody's been out here. God, look at these trees. I mean, just beautifully out. I guess it was the previous La Casa. Got a gate there, so some more land. Bigger trees. Oh yeah, it's about an acre and a half. Yeah. And see, tree fell in on it, so that's sad. Somebody's dream was out here, and unfortunately, it's no longer a dream. It's a bit of a nightmare. There's nobody here. Just to buy it, foreclose on it, and probably tear it down and sell the lot.